On your Apple iPhone, sometimes you may want to use a VPN because some shows are restricted in your country. You might want to watch them. So, with the VPN, you can change your location and watch those shows. Or sometimes some websites are restricted in your country. So if you want, you can use a VPN and view that website. Or sometimes some apps are banned in your country. So by using a VPN, you can access those apps. Anyway, in this video, we'll be talking about how to use a VPN on your Apple iPhone. First thing is, if you go to settings and search for VPN, you can see that VPN option. But the thing is, you should know the technical details, otherwise, you won't be able to connect to a VPN. So what we're going to do is use another simple method. We are going to App Store, and we are downloading one VPN application. There are so many free VPN applications. You can search for free VPN and you'll get so many applications. I have installed Proton VPN. I think it's a good application. Anyway, after that, open this Proton application. And when you open it, you'll reach a page like this. Here, you can see the Connect option. Click on Connect. When you click on that, you'll be connected to the VPN. And one thing is, sometimes if you're using this application for the first time, you'll see a pop-up message. In that, you need to click on Allow. After that, you need to enter your phone's PIN code. Then only you'll be able to connect to the VPN. Now this VPN is connected. Here you can see the Disconnect option. If you want to disconnect, click on this Disconnect. And if you're having doubt whether it's connected to the VPN or not, what you can do is go to Control Center. For that, from the top right corner, swipe down, and here you can see the VPN option. So that means the VPN is connected. And if you long press on this box, here you can see the VPN option. From here only, you can quickly turn on or turn off VPN. So after installing this application, you don't need to open that application every time. You can go to Control Center and long press on this. You can see VPN. From here only, you can turn on or turn off this VPN. So this way, you can easily use a VPN on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.